pananagutan na makulong hanggang 6 na taon. Kung ito po'y nagamitan ng paglabag, ito po'y pinagbabawal sapagkat meron po tayong yung Republic Act 10173. Ito po yung Data Privacy Act na 2012 ginawa ng Kongreso. Ito naman po ay pinuproteksyonan ng personal na information ng isang tao. Kasama na po dyan yung audio, video recordings at yung hindi pinayagan na pangungulekta at saka yung sharing ng mga ito.
Internet everyday for school, work, and connecting. Bawat click natin, bawat share natin, nag-iiwan tayo ng personal data online.
Look, I found a classmate funny picture online. I post this on my story, we share everything online.
Wait, that's my right. That's why we have our 101
Huh? What's that for?
It's to take your data and sensitive information from being shared without your permission.
Yeah, before posting someone's picture in your info, always ask for consent and be transparent. Respect their privacy.
Know your rights and be digital smart. Not everything should be shared online.
Didn't know that. I'll delete the post online. Thank you guys.
Good choice. Remember, privacy is a right.
We share everything online.
That's why we have RE 10173.
Your data and your sensitive information.
Always demand consent and transparency.
Know your rights and be digital smart.
Know your rights, know the law.